Welcome to our mini washer showdown. Today we are comparing two highly portable washing machines, the FADSK and the GZJ. Both models are designed for convenience and efficiency, perfect for small spaces like apartments and dorms. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. Both the FADSK and GZJ portable washing machines boast a compact and foldable design, making them ideal for small living spaces. The FADSK features a green color scheme and a removable spin-dry basket, while the GZJ comes in a vibrant purple and utilizes touch controls for ease of use. Their lightweight construction enhances portability, allowing you to easily transport them wherever you need. When it comes to user interface, the FADSK portable washing machine features a straightforward button control system, making it easy to operate. In contrast, the GZJ model utilizes a modern touch control interface, offering a sleek look and potentially more intuitive operation. Both systems are designed to facilitate quick and efficient washing. Both washing machines offer 3 cleaning modes with timer settings of 3, 5, and 10 minutes, allowing users to choose the appropriate cycle for their laundry needs. This versatility ensures that whether you're washing delicate baby clothes or everyday items, both machines can handle the task effectively. However, the FADSK's inclusion of a spin-dry function adds an extra layer of convenience for users looking to minimize drying time. In conclusion, both the FADSK and GZJ portable washing machines offer excellent features tailored for small spaces. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether you prioritize the spin-dry function or prefer a modern touch control interface. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.